Does the GoPro 5 or GoPro 6 come with a internal memory? The quick answer is no. It does not come with an internal memory. You can see here it says no SD card, so it requires you to have an SD card for it to record videos and store the videos, store the capture videos and photos. So while it works, while the camera can be turned on and you can see through the lens, but you cannot record because it has no SD card come along with the device. There is no internal memory. You're going to need to buy an SD card here and put inside the camera, otherwise you cannot use it. So if you're wondering, if you're buying the camera online and you're not buying the SD card, sometimes when the items arrive and then you open it and you realize you cannot use it because it's missing a memory card, then if you go and order it online again, then you have to wait for a very long time. So make sure that when you're buying the camera, you also buy the SD card that comes along with the camera. Otherwise it doesn't come together, but you can buy it at the same time, and when you get the camera you can quickly pop in the SD card and you can start using it straight away. Otherwise, if you buy it at local store, it might not be something that you want. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope I have answered your questions, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.